Hey, what's up? This is Pro Wolf Trader, baby. This is 16 December, New York session, live to live, baby. We are in profits from London session. Premium signal. Let's go, baby. I hope everybody is having a nice day. Everybody's in profits because we are in profits, baby. Let's go. Let me share so the guys know I'm live. I hope everybody's fine. Everybody's in profits. Everybody in the premium group took this signal. I hope they took it. Because we are running in profits, baby. New York session just opened like 10 minutes ago. We are in the New York session. Today is CPI. Today is what the hell? PMI. Today is PMI, flash PMI. So we are expected to receive the PMI about after like 20 minutes or so. So preparing for that. You know what happens. Gold is in a range right now. We're not gonna make mistakes that we made last time. We're gonna trade within the range. It doesn't matter what kind of a data is. We're gonna buy when it drops down within the range, and when it goes up, we're gonna sell it. Disregard of what's gonna happen. We will stick to our plan, and this is how we're gonna roll for today. No fucks up, no mess up, no nothing. Strictly follow the plan. Today, the flash PMI, USD flash PMI is gonna take some time. In the meanwhile, we can just look at our screens and look at our profits. But in any case, since we are in profits, let's talk about some stuff. Let's talk about some important stuff that's been bothering you, either your trade psychology, risk management, or anything. It can be anything that has been bothering you. You can discuss over here right now. We're gonna talk about gold, then we're gonna talk about crypto. So yeah, let me even tell the crypto boys I'm live. This was me in Tokyo session, and I bought in right exactly over here. I got a sale exactly over here. And we are in since then. Yeah, it took me a couple of stop losses, but I was managing. I knew the risk, so I was prepared for it. So yeah, I knew the risk. I took it. I got stopped out. Not just once, not just twice, but 4 times. But then when I caught the rejections, I opened layers of fucking trade and I recovered all the losses. And my trades are still running. That's how you roll, baby. Provost style. That's how you make profits. There is no luck. You make your own luck. There is no luck. You make your own luck. Remember that, guys. We are green for the day. TP1 hit. All our trades on gold are running on. Break even. So we can concentrate on other stuff. Just give me one moment. All right. All right. All right. Let's go. Since we are in profits, let's talk about some other stuff. It can be anything regarding trading. You have any questions? You have anything? Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, guys. Like the channel and subscribe it. If you have any questions, you can ask me. If you want a entry signal, well, you have to, wait for it then. Gold has been really, really, really ranging, and we got a buy. We intend to keep it till Wednesday. I'm waiting for more people to come so then I can start my analysis, weekly analysis. But I think everybody is busy. It's Monday after all. This is the problem. People, they don't prepare for the week ahead. They come on Wednesday to trade, but they don't know the pre-trade plan. Just like always, we will open our trades and we'll try to carry those trades to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today is Monday. We got some really nice entries around these area. The area between 2650, 52, even before that. I mean, Tokyo low was about 2646, right? So anybody who bought from that low, 43, sorry, he's surely doing fine. But I had to wait actually. Buying from over here was a gamble because there was no draw stop, right? So I waited for it. I said, okay, some consolidating. Once my all my setup, it clarified to me that okay, you need to enter now. I just entered. You just follow the probability. That's how you make profits. And yeah. I hear a lot. I hear a lot. This is just New York Open. We still have lots of space to cover. We have next target 2675. As soon as it breaks 2675, then our next target will be 2688. Then will be 2696. After that, 2705. And then onwards. We will believe, you guys who are scalping, if you guys have layers of trade, close some trades and put other trades on break even and let it run. Trust me, till Wednesday, you're gonna thank me for recommending you to hold on to your buys till Wednesday. Because I know the Fed is ignorant. In either case, they're gonna, cut the rate. They don't care about, they will create a situation that will cause panic in the market. And they will just become the savior of, just try to be the hero everybody wants the Fed to be and pull the US economy out from inflation by hiking the rate. In short, they know what they're doing. They are creating conditions, the economic situation in which they have to hike the rate. I mean, that's what the Biden has been doing, delaying the recession, and now finally, when all the data is screaming inflation is rising, they are not, okay, oh, we're gonna still cut the rates. In fact, they don't even need it. And let's talk about what's happened today. Today in the morning, in around Tokyo session, the China retail sales data came out, and it was really disappointing. That threw the Asian markets really down. Asian and the European stock market down. That in return created a negative impact on Wall Street. S&P 500 is still 2% up for the day, but it still is declining. Same goes for US 30 and a bunch of other pairs. We got in London session, we got flash PMI, Euro PMI, and those PMIs were not also so promising. We have Lagarde speaking, in which he clearly specified that they are looking towards rate cut and how they will, you know, how they are saying that more rate cuts, are like coming, and basically that the direction of the travel is clear. This is her words. I'm quoting her words. These are exact her words. More rate cuts to come, and the direction of travel is clear. German PMI actual was 5, forecasted was 51, and actual was forecasted was 49, and actual was 51. So these are services PMI, okay, and services PMI flash actual. I mean the UK one is 51.4 actual. These are the UK flash PMI actual was 51.4, forecasted was 51. So in short, if you look at Euro GBP USD, it is soaring up, but right now in the New York session, after when there all the data was kicking in, GBP USD was melting slowly, not accurately, but at this pace, I would say that this is a minor retracement. Wait around till London closes, you'll see GBP USD going down. So right now, all you need to look for GP like pound pairs is possible re-entry. But since this stream is all about gold and Bitcoin, so I'm gonna specifically talk about it. But I was just giving you a know-how what's happening, what's moving the market today. So basically, all that today we had flash PMIs of Europe, GBP, Pound, UK, and now we have USD flash PMI due in about an hour, in 2 hours, right? If I'm correct, in an hour, in like 1.3 hour. And despite whatever the data is coming in, I'm gonna stick with my elite wave, which I said last time that this time I won't care what kind of a data is coming. I'm gonna follow my elite wave. I'm gonna just keep on buying, because the last time I was supposed to buy, I was selling, which was, because this was China, a stimulus announced, they were buying, but I was resilient. I was waiting for this drop, which actually happened, and then I was buying this shit. God knows what the hell I was thinking. You know what the confusion was? The confusion was over here on an elite wave. This wave, third wave, is supposed to be higher than the previous ABC correction, and it did not exactly happen as it's supposed to happen. But then we saw a decline. I was like, damn, we are late. This is done. So now we have a new elite wave pattern from the start, and it's just gold is gonna keep on going up. Then we're gonna see a minor retracement followed by a huge spike up, and this is gonna happen on this Wednesday, 17 and 18 December. We have FOMC meeting days, and exactly during that time, around 19 December, FOMC blackout period is gonna be over. Those who don't know what FOMC blackout period is the duration in which Fed officials cannot tweet anything. By the way, like the video, guys. The 3 people watching, at least like it. I know there are less people, but you guys are hustling. So keep hustling, brothers. Keep hustling and making profits. Keep focused. Keep your head focused on your goals and keep moving. I know last week was not good, but I say be a survivor. Accept your mistakes, learn from it, improvise. For such a long time, you were profitable. The last week, due to excessive over trading, excessive working, being a workaholic. I took a break off on the weekend and I came in fresh and I saw the mistakes and I improvised it. And inshallah, this week, that's not gonna happen. That's why we have a stop loss. So yeah. Oh well, you guys took a long time to arrive. I was about to get busy. I said, okay, let's get busy. Guys, be active on chat. How do I know what you're doing? If you have any trades running, tell me. Tell me from where your trades running. If you don't have any trades running, at least tell me. So I know what you guys are going through. And please like the video and subscribe the channel. We already took TP1. Our trades are running on break even. This was a premium signal, by the way. But when I live streamed around London Open, we were somewhere around here. So there were like a really few people watching the stream. So those who took their trade somewhere around 26.55 or 56, they're even still profitable. and they took TP1. But if you're somebody who just started trading in London, so sorry, New York session right now, right over here, should probably wait for a pullback, then enter. And please enter the trade on your own risk. If you are following me, follow on your own risk. Stop loss is your friend, remember that. Okay. I am strictly right now gonna stick with gold and Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is dropping. If any of you guys are following me on YouTube and watched my previous Bitcoin crash alert video, I clearly specified that a crash was coming in, but there was also there's been this thing that a crash always happened once it makes a new all-time high. A crash or a dump or whatever you wanna call it, it never drops off. It easily 60 to 70%. There's a chance that it's gonna break all-time high, then create a pull on, then on the pullback is gonna drop 60 to 70% of the time it happens like this. But sometimes 30 to 25% it just drops off exactly near all-time high. But this time it broke all-time high this morning in Tokyo session, and then after a fight between bears and bull, after a rejection it fell down, and now we have a 4 hourly bearish candle closing. In short, we have a 4 hour bearish engulfing closing, which is a clear sign that price is headed for a retracement or a reversal. By the way, on Friday, we also saw that MSTR MicroStrategy shares, they opened up with a gap in the around 6 to 9% of the pre-market gap up. If we go on an hourly, we can clearly see that market open up with a gap even over here, which is a clear, which was actually taken as a positive on Friday. MicroStrategy is still headed up, but I'm still calling it a bear trap because the price is within this zone. It's not haven't even broken past above this area. As long as MSTR is being traded under this area, it's still bearish. As long as it doesn't break this area, it's still bearish. Coming back to Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin right now is serving a really nice purpose. You can scalp it up over here. This is all time high. I was able to catch this all time high, but at a cost of 3 to 4 entries, which hit a stop loss. But once I caught it, I layered around my trades and I kind of, recovered that money, those, that was spent on those entries of trying to catch this drop. And now I'm sitting in profits. The trade is earning in profits. By the grave of Almighty and God help us and protect us. And you have to read this prayer every time. Coming back to gold. Gold is what gold does. Annoy you, right? Oh my God, son. This is why you scalp Bitcoin. So money keeps flowing in. And if it's too slow for you, go Bitcoin. If gold is too slow for you, go Bitcoin. But if you're a man of patience, dedication, spend that time on Forex pairs, especially minor, GBP, USD, JPY, Euro, GBP, is they're gonna work wonders. Again, I'm saying right now we have a New York Open. New York is making New York low, then it's gonna go retest New York high, and if it breaks New York high, it's gonna keep heading straight up. I need to go and I need to go and pray. I'll be right back. And in the meantime, you guys can focus on these charts and stuff. I'll be back. I need 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going for a prayer. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's start trading again. Apparently, it looks like gold is dropping down, but is it really dropping down or just messing with your heads? Because from where I see this, we it was a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now we're just waiting for it to lift off. This is what's happening on gold. So don't mess your head, okay? If you have a buy running from somewhere around here and you took partial profits, then it's all right. You can let those trades run on break even. If you're somebody who closed all your trades over here and is waiting to re-enter, this might be a nice area to enter. But you have to put the stop loss really tight or normal. Really tight means $5 stop loss, and normal stop loss means putting the stop loss like somewhere around $10 away, and just like wait for it to pull back. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin was dropping, is dropping, and is currently is in a drop down stage. This is the all-time high. I was able to catch this drop at the cost of 4 trades, but finally closed all those trades, partial profits, came out break even, and now I'm in profits on Bitcoin. I streamed this morning in Tokyo session, so if you missed it, go watch it out. Watch the recap down. I knew what I was doing. I was trying to, you know, grab a shot when it was pumping, and I put some money. I said, okay, I'm gonna lose this much money, but if it drops down, I'm gonna bag in some money. So you have to risk it for the biscuit. Otherwise, there is no way you can help make money. It's been 43 minutes already. His gold is pumping up again. This is where I was saying, book in your profits, open your trade, and let it breathe. You let it breathe, and it's gonna do wonders for you. You just have to let it breathe. Let's wake up the boys. Let's wake up the boys. If you're new to the stream, please like and subscribe the channel and stay updated. Join the Telegram group and Discord group so you can stay up to date with the Pro Wolf Trader community and with all the promotions, the discounts, and various offers that keeps on coming from various brokers and even on our community. So yeah. Anyways, back to the trading. Gold is pushing up. Right about here, I told you guys that if you have any trades running, let it run. If you don't have any trade running, this is the nice area 2658 to enter. I hope somebody took the entry over here. because this is the area I'm just waiting for the price to break above New York high. As soon as it breaks New York high, it's gonna straight go up. It's gonna straight head up. That's where the things are gonna start making, gonna be interesting because then there's not gonna be anything over there, so it's gonna keep on pumping up. So in short, this is New York high. I expect um, New York high to be broken around after an hour or so. We can see a continuation of a sideways trend, but like slightly upward momentum because if I put this like this over here, this is this is headed up, right? So yeah, like it will bounce in between this and can take an hour or so to break above New York high. But once it breaks and you have an entry over here, you can finally relax and see those profits make money, more money for you. If you guys are here waiting for the weekly analysis of gold, I need at least 10 viewers. Then I'll say, okay, let's start the gold weekly analysis. I'm not been uploading any video for a long time. The reason, you guys know the reason. I'm just waiting for it to pass above 2680 so I can just, put up a movie and relax, man. Because it's been a stressful day. But do you think I'm that free? No, hell no. I've been busy. I've been training the batches, fourth batch, one in the Tokyo session and one in the what do you say in mid London session. The fifth batch is about to start next month. There are people already rolling in and registering. What are you guys waiting for? Are you just gonna wait and let the time fly by? Four batches, third three batches has already been completed. Fourth batch, 60% completed. Holy shit, time flies by so fast. It was just like yesterday when I started the YouTube channel. And now 2025 is coming. I guess after COVID, time is just flying by. Let's just not try to overthink and just wait for it. This 26, 64. Once it's broken, once New York high is broken, then we're headed up. Just headed up. you guys have any question, you can ask me up. I'm also working besides streaming. So if there is a delay while I'm speaking, pardon me. But that's how things are over here. It's a busy day because it's Monday. There are crazy things going on in America. Those drones and shit that's been going on. You seen those drones coming out from the ocean near New Jersey and New York and the East Coast? That is probably near the Atlantic. More than 5,000-6,000 people recorded this on their phones. It's crazy. Wall Street is panicking too because the senators, the agencies, they're saying nothing. They're saying nothing to worry about. Look at the sky, man. What the fuck are those things? And there was a senator, he was saying, yes, Iran is behind this. I mean, for fuck's sake, there was a balloon inside America this year and they blew it off with a missile from F-22. And Biden took all the credit. Now, where are the fucking F-22s when all those fucking drones are flying for the past 3-4 days? And the answer is, there's no need to be worried about, nothing to be worried about. Bullshit. Bull fucking shit. What does has to that has to do with trading provos? Because everything is connected. The matrix is connected. Imagine. You know, I said each year around November, December, and January, some crazy shit thing happens. The last year, attack on Israel, 7 October, and then on just around December, January, Israel started bombing an invasion. Before that, it was, I think, Qasem Soleimani assassination. No, that was the year before it, and before that, you, Russia invasion in Ukraine. Now these fucking swarms of drones, they are not drones, they are called UAPs, and people are freaking out. People are freaking out because they don't know how to react. And the world is a crazy place, right? Yeah, trader has to keep an eye on everything. Unfortunately, it is like this. Gold is going up. You know, I believe that is gonna go up for the one last time, and once it comes down, I mean, because we are on the other half of the month. Previous November was a bearish candle, right? So we do expect gold to drop down, but not now. It's gonna head up this week because we have Fed is gonna fucking anyways, cut interest rate. This week we have Fed FOMC. After that we have BOJ interest rate, Bank of Japan. Then we have Bank of England interest rate. So pretty much we are occupied throughout this week. So we can't take any risk. We can't take any chances. We just have to stick. If you are somebody who's trading JPY pairs, he has to be really careful on Thursday, on what you call Thursday, because Thursday is a tentative day. Any day during London, during New York, or even Tokyo session, they can announce the rate cut, hashtag rate hike. They're never gonna rate cut. They're gonna just hike the rate. So before that, you can see a pump or a dump on JPY pairs. So if you're somebody who likes volume and volatility, you might hop into the JPY pair. And if you're somebody who likes to trade pound, better keep an eye on GBP USD and GBP JPY. Why? Because you have to. You have no other choice, right? You are enter trader, right? You have to take trades and come out profitable. That's your only goal. Where it looks like they're really, I don't know where everybody is almost like an hour or so. मुझे लगता है सब लोग बेजार हो गए। कोई मसला नहीं, कोई मसला नहीं। चलो कोई नहीं आ रहा तो हम ऐसे ही स्ट्रीमिंग करेंगे फिर। हम उर्दू में स्ट्रीमिंग करते हैं फिर। कोई नहीं देख रहा ना, ठीक है। जब किसी को दिलचस्पी है ही नहीं तो फिर हम क्यों, हम भी फिर करते हैं स्ट्रीमिंग उर्दू में फिर कल से, ठीक है। अभी गोल्ड जो है वो ऊपर जा रहा है, ठीक है। ये है हमारी साइडवे रेंज, ठीक है। अब जो भी हैं पाकिस्तान में, कौन है फॉरेक्स उस्ताद हो गया, कहते हैं कौन सा वो वली बाबा हो गए, ये सारे मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर, और वो कौन है मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर की दुकानें चमकाते रहते हैं सारा वक्त। क्या है मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर में? कुछ भी नहीं है, सब बकवास है। कोर्सेज बेच रहे हैं भाई, कोई कौन सा वॉल स्ट्रीट का मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर सपोर्ट एक्शन पे ट्रेड कर रहा है? सब डाटा पे कर रहे हैं, सब डाटा का वेट करते हैं। ये लोग कैंडल स्टिक पे कर रहे हैं जी, पागल है। एक बात बताओ, बिटकॉइन ने ऑल टाइम हाई ब्रेक किया, कौन सी कैंडल ने बताया था कि भाई, कैंडल तो बता रही थी कि रिवर्सल हो रहा है, लेकिन ऊपर से जाके रिजेक्ट हुआ ना, क्यों? हमेशा 60 to 70% ऑफ द टाइम जब भी ये जाता है ऑल टाइम हाई ब्रेक करता ही करने के बाद ही ये दम गिरता है, ड्रॉप होता है, उससे पहले नहीं होता। हमेशा उसके बाद ही होता है। इसी वजह से लोग जो है ना वो दिलचस्पी लेते हैं, क्योंकि लोग जो है ना सबर सबर नहीं करते। लोग बोलते हैं नहीं भाई मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ अभी, मेरे सामने अभी ट्रेड खोलूँगा, मैं जाते वक्त बंद करके जाऊँगा। उनमें ये नहीं होता कि बस उनको कॉन्फिडेंस हो कि भाई हमने एनालिसिस किया एक सर्टेन डायरेक्शन पे जा रहा है। इवन दो स्टॉप लॉस हिट करने वाला, अब होने दें। क्यों उससे ज़्यादा रिस्क क्यों कर रहे हैं? और मज़ीद ऊपर चला गया तो अक्सर और बेशतर रिट्रेस करके गिरता है, लेकिन फिर आपके हाथ में नहीं होता, ये आपको वेट करना होता है। आप वेट करते हैं, वेट करते हैं और वेट करते हैं। अभी ये है न्यूयॉर्क लो, ठीक है। न्यूयॉर्क लो है अराउंड 2658, और ये है न्यूयॉर्क हाई तकरीबन 2664, लगभग इधर ही है। अब इस एरिया पे गोल्ड साइड वे है, अब कोई स्कैल्प भी कर सकता है। अब कोई ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडर होगा, वो ब्रेकआउट का इंतज़ार करेगा। हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हमने यहाँ से बाय किया हुआ है, इसलिए हम ब्रेक इवन पे बैठे हैं प्रॉफिट लेके पार्शियल, तो हम लोग सेफ साइड हैं। क्या होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये वापस नीचे आ जाएगा, हमारी ट्रेड ब्रेक इवन पे हो जाएगी, डेट्स इट। हमारा लॉस नहीं होगा, हमारा लॉस फिर से बोलो नहीं होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि हम ब्रेक इवन पे बैठे हैं पार्शियल प्रॉफिट लेने के बाद। हमें गर्ज ही नहीं है किसी चीज़ से। और वैसे तो देखा जाए तो ये ऊपर जाएगा ही जाएगा, क्योंकि इतना गिरा है ये एक रेंज में, एक सर्टन रेंज में, उस रेंज से बाहर नहीं जा रहा। किसी ने कि मैं जिस तरह से दे रहा हूँ, कोई दे रहा है? कोई और दे रहा है यहाँ पे सो कॉल्ड? नहीं, मेरे लॉस भी होता है ना, मैं दिखाता हूँ ट्रांसपेरेंट आके भाई ये है, फिर बोलता हूँ हाँ भाई चलो ये मिस्टेक हुई, होती है भाई, होती है, कोई माने ना माने, गलती हर इंसान से होती है। मैं अगर हर इसमें प्रॉफिट कमा रहा हूँ तो मुझसे होगी गलती, कहीं ना कहीं होगी। थकावट की वजह से होगी, नींद नहीं पूरी होने की वजह से होगी, ओवरवर्क, वर्कहॉलिंग, ओवर ट्रेडिंग, बहुत सारी रीजंस हो सकती हैं। लेकिन मैं कोई इतना नहीं हूँ कि सारा मतलब इतने बड़े बड़े लॉट्स हैं। हमेशा 3 से 5% इक्विटी का लगाते हैं। इसलिए बोलता हूँ जब भी ट्रेड करो एक सर्टन इक्विटी से हो। छोटा अकाउंट बहुत मुश्किल से ऊपर होता है, इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ जान निकल जाती है। बंदा जो है ना फिर एंड में बड़े बड़े लॉट लेके उड़ा देता है, जिस तरह कबूतर को उड़ाते हैं ना, और कबूतर उड़ ही जाता है। और ये होता है, ये कई बार हो किया भी है, देखा भी है, और अभी भी रिसेंट भी हुआ है। लेकिन कोई मसला नहीं है। बात ये होती है कि जिस वक्त नहीं समझ आ रही होती तो हम बोलते हैं यार नहीं, उसमें मार्केट मैनिपुलेट भी करती है, साइकोलॉजी के साथ भी खेलती है, सब कुछ होता है। फिर आपको होता है नहीं, आप ब्रेक ले, थोड़ा पीछे हटे। अभी जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है ना हम लोगों के लिए वो ये है कि इस वीक एफओएमसी मीटिंग मिनट है, बीओजे इंटरेस्ट रेट है, बीओई बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड का भी इंटरेस्ट रेट है, इन तीनों का है। दैट मीन्स एफओएमसी मीटिंग मिनट्स, बैंक ऑफ जापान एंड बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड इंटरेस्ट रेट्स आर ड्यू दिस वीक ऑन वेनेसडे एंड थर्सडे। तो बिफोर दैट हमारे पास कोई ऐसा न्यूज़ नहीं है। हाँ, यूएसडी की है टुमारो वेनेसडे, रिटेल सेल्स, जो कि इतना सिग्निफिकेंट इम्पैक्ट नहीं डालेगा बिकॉज गोल्ड इज़ इन अ साइड वे रेंज। वो साइड वे रेंज की वजह से आप प्राइस हे व्हाट्सअप डॉर्सिक, हे व्हाट्सअप, गोल्ड साइड वे रेंज में होने की वजह से जो नहीं है बाउंस कर रहा है। यू टुक लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम टू कम बट फाइनली यू आर हियर, फाइनली यू मेड इट, हे व्हाट्सअप, फाइनली यू मेड इट। आई एम फाइन, हाउ आर यू, हाउ आर योर ट्रेड्स गोइंग? Don't forget to go visit the Discord channel, okay? And guys, please join the Discord channel. The link is given, and please visit it. It's a nice place to hang around. I'm extremely busy keeping my focus. Good. Keep your buy running. Keeping my focus. If you are busy, I don't know how you're managing your trades, but God help you. And you know, God, and please take some rest. Don't overtrade and only trade what you can afford to lose. I don't know how much lot size you choose, but I hope that is enough to, keep the trade running till Wednesday. Because if you and try not to overtrade this week, and we will try to carry these trades till Wednesday. Let's suppose we are in a buy. Now I don't have any plans to close this buy. I'm gonna keep this buy running. Okay, good, then that's better. I don't have any plans to close this buy, so I'm gonna keep this running. And at the same time, I'm gonna take partial profits because I have layers. And after taking TP1 and 2, I'm not gonna take any more profits after TP1 and 2. I'm gonna let it run on break even. And then I will try to scalp Bitcoin. But if you don't know, I'll just say stick with the gold. It's enough for this week because this week we have FOMC meeting minute, Bank of Japan and Bank of England interest rate, which are all due on somewhere around midnight Wednesday and Thursday. So that's gonna move a market a lot. Especially the market is gonna start moving on Tuesday, especially JPY pairs. If you're trading Forex, if you're trading Forex, it's gonna move. And you might see, right now, whatever the market tells you, do the exact opposite because market said, oh, There is yen is weakness, and then yen started dropping. It means yen started getting stronger. When yen was weak, let's just suppose take a pair like GPP JPY, okay? Pound yen, it was going up, and they started saying there is yen weakness, and as soon as they talk about yen weakness, yen started going, pumping. So don't be fooled. It's like there is this saying like buy the fact and sell the news, or buy the news, sell the fact. Bitcoin makes me always give me profit backs. Yeah, Bitcoin actually is quite even for me. I have seen that 50 to 60% of my profits is for the past few months, since I think where was it? Since July, 50%, 50 to 60% of my profit have been generated from Bitcoin. But you have to be really careful around Bitcoin because that thing is crazy. Because when that bull gets crazy, it just jumps around. Okay, you see this? This is the area. This is around over here. This is what do you call New York low. This is New York low. Actually, New York low is over here. Till this area. No, 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 no. New York open over here. No, this is New York low. New York low is over here. Not here. This is New York low. So if it breaks New York low, then that's the update on the situation. But as far as I can see, I see this is a sideway range. It's just waiting for the USD flash PMI. That's what I think. Till then, it's in a sideway range. This is London. This is New York. It's in a sideway range. Scalper's Haven. Hit the like button, guys. Subscribe the channel. Follow all social media: Instagram, Telegram, Discord. But some of the most like Discord. If you categorize everything, Discord number one. After that, Telegram. These two are the place you wanna be. I'm bringing a lot of updates. I'm updating the Discord page. I'm adding new stuff over there. I'm adding resources. Pro Wolf Trader website is under development. Copy trading has been delayed a lot because the reason is that majority of the people are from US and Europe, and the broker I'm using they're not using, so I'm currently working on a MT5 signal, that provides signals from MetaTrader 5 directly. So I'm working on that. This is why it's taking time. But I also have this facility right now. If you are on any broker, message me. I'm trying to be on as much as brokers as possible and trying to open copy trading on all of them. It's taking time because I'm linking all the accounts together. So when I trade on one place, it opens up trade on all those accounts. So everything is interconnected. And guys, whether in Europe, Asia, even in US, UK, Canada, Australia, wherever they are, they can, copy the trades. So I'll update you guys on it, on the situation, because a lot of you guys there, you are busy, you're working people, you have work stress, you have life stress. So yeah, copy trading would at least minimize that problem, if not completely eliminate it. Okay, Bitcoin is slowly progressing, slowly losing the momentum. Okay, guys, just a reminder, Pro Bull Trader 5th batch is starting from 1st January. The last date of registration is 31st December. Besides this, premium signal group is open. All the details are on Telegram. Join it. What you'll get in premium membership is you get access to Discord, voice channel, trading floor, data, data channels. Besides this, you get signal group on telegrams, and there are lots of stuff. You're not just getting signals, you're getting more than that at a really, really low cost, trust me. And you're getting 2 to 5 signals daily, but there are days I even gives 8 to 9 signals. Even in late nights there are always somewhere, what do you say, signals coming in. And this is not exclusively just for gold. This is Bitcoin, crude oil, Forex, gold, stock market, anything and everything out there, you're getting it. There are people who are providing services just $100 for gold signals. Giving everything in one single package. Plus, I have provided Discord, access to Discord. You have seen anybody do this? No. You make more money with connections than with signals. Always remember that. When you sit in a place where other traders sit, you talk with them, you share their experience. If, for example, if you like to trade natural gas and there's a guy he likes to trade crude oil, you can both sit down and share your ideas, and you can benefit from it. You can help each other out. That's what been happening in the pro bull trader community. We've been helping each other out. Oh, this is a nice area to enter a buy. All I see, this is a sideway range. This is a sideway range. Nothing more. Because we have data, you know, USD slash PMI. If anybody of you don't know how the PMI is gonna affect, here's the thing. If the PMI comes in higher, gold is gonna drop down. If it comes lower, it's gonna go up. But last week we saw the PMI came out, what do you say, higher, but instead gold just kept on climbing. And I think it's gonna do the exact same today. This is a nice place to enter. Gold, nice area. But yeah, it has a risk in it. It has potential to drop, but I would say, since there is, if you see this carefully, this is the reason I'm saying there's a potential of a pullback, and a pullback is gonna happen. If this things comes around exactly near an entry point, we just Gonna hit break even. We're just gonna hit break even. But anyways, I believe gold will just keep going up because this is what gold does. It looks like it's coming down, but it doesn't come down. Even if you do a analysis, we see that 4 hourly is bullish, right? Previous 4 hour candles were bullish, and this pullback is not gonna change anybody's mind. It's just gonna create a distraction, just like over here. If you recall this, just like over here, it dropped down and then pull back up and straight headed up. And over here, similarly, over here, over here, over here, all these areas, even over here. So don't get distracted by these pullbacks, okay? Just enter a buy, put a stop loss, and that's it. Follow the plan. Like the video, guys, and subscribe the channel if you're new. Today I'm giving two spots in premium group without any interview, without any disruption. Gold doing gold things. Yeah, gold is doing gold things. Euro USD is really really good. This is a by the way, this is a premium signal. Okay, this is a premium signal. TP1 is already hit and it went back up and came back down. Euro USD is gonna continue dropping. It's gonna keep on dropping. That's what it's been doing. Okay, gold now finally heading up again. We just have to wait, do nothing. Follow the plan. Let the buy trade run. Okay, so this is the final moment. Gold is about to make a retracement and is gonna head up. This is the last stop for anybody watching to enter a buy, gold rebuy, because I don't think then we will get a chance to buy gold at this price. Then you'll say goodbye to gold. This is your one last final chance. I think before it finally goes away. But if you're somebody who is waiting for a nice entry, just wait a bit more. Waiting half an hour more will possibly work in favor because that's when the USD flash PMI is gonna come. And I don't think gold is gonna do anything itself is gonna keep on pumping because that's happened what happened last week, right? Last week, the first data, the first week, the first of this month, ISM manufacturing PMI came in higher instead of gold dropping, it pumped up. Same jolts came in higher instead of gold dropping down, it pumped up. Why China was buying China stimulus. Same thing with ADP and then ISM services PMI and then same bullshit with unemployment claims. When it came in higher, gold was supposed to go up, but when it did the exact opposite. What do you learn from this? That do the exact opposite of what the market wants you to do. This is the only way to be profitable, and trust me, this is the only way. Because there is no right way or wrong way. There is only one way. And yeah, follow the plan and follow it really carefully. And I hope everything works in favor. And it will, don't worry. Okay, in the end it will. Think positive, think about nice things, okay? And nice things will happen. Why the hell is crypto pumping all of a sudden? Did something happen in the market? Am I missing out something? No, it's just a retracement. Let's see what's happening in crypto. Oh, nothing. Just doing some normal stuff. Oh yeah, the 4 hourly. It's always the 4 hourly. It's always that 4 hourly. What might be the crypto boys? They're pumping it up again. But guess what? They're gonna be liquidated. Anyways, this was a nice buy entry. This area was a nice buy re-entry area. Really nice buy re-entry area. If you took it, high five, buddy. You made profits. You're making profits. But I'll tell you that if you are somebody who have a small account, take your profits around here because there's a 50% chance gonna retrace back in because this is a consolidating sideway range, right? We still have around 25, 24 minutes left for the USD flash PMI data, and it might drop down, you know, dump and pump. So just take your profits around here if you just took an entry. Okay. Scalp it, keep growing your account. Be wise, okay? Be wise, no YOLO shit. Be wise, be smart, grow your account. All right, grow account. That's more better. Try to understand and improvise. Try to improvise. Keep on improvising. Trump is to give a press statement for March. Okay, at 11 a.m. Okay, let's see what he has to say later on. If he talks about Bitcoin and shit, oh, silver is dropping, or is it a fake out? What's happening on silver? But gold is still pumping. I'm gonna stick with gold buy. I'm not gonna change my mind. Not gonna go for the news. I know what the hell is happening. I'm gonna do the exact opposite of what the data comes out because this is exactly what happened last week. Hey, what's up? What do you think about the news? I think do the opposite of the news last week. Remember the jolts, it came in higher. Gold was supposed to go down, but it kept going up because of China stimulus. And right when unemployment came in, what do you say, lower? Oh, sorry, unemployment claims in higher. It just went the exact opposite thing. It just instead of gold going up, it dropped down. So it was doing the exact opposite, right? Unemployment claims are higher. Gold was supposed to go up, but it just dropped down. So it is apparently doing the exact opposite of what is supposed to do because it's November and December. Guess what? We're gonna do the exact opposite because we have to improvise, right? Nothing makes sense when nothing makes sense. I was doing by the paper, by the book, and I got nearly pissed off last week. I made profit 50% and 50% I made loss, and I'm pissed off. I want to make profits this week, so I'm gonna be sneaky as fuck. I'm gonna think like a thief. You know what? There's a saying. Then when the market does these things, you should think like a thief because a thief knows how to steal money and run away with the money. So you need to think like a thief, make profits and run away, run with the money. Let's suppose the flag. Wait a second. The PMI. Let's just say the PMI is higher. Okay, gold should be bearish, right? On paper, should gold should drop down, but you'll see it will go up. The data that's supposed to throw it down will push it up, and the data that's supposedly gonna has to push it up is gonna push it down. It's gonna do the exact same opposite thing. And I'm just expect. Wait a second. If you look at the ISM manufacturing PMI is 49.4. All right. The previous was 49.7. Forecast is 49.4. Is lower, right? It's lower, but in either cases, if they expect it to be lower and it came in higher, which supposedly uh, on paper means that gold prices will decline, but it will do exact the opposite. You'll see. I mean, this has been going on for last 2 weeks, so I think it's gonna happen the exact same way this week too. So I'm not gonna be doing like on the paper on the book. Like I did on Friday, I got Thursday, and I got pissed off. Unemployment data came in higher, and fucking like a stupid retard, I fucking bought when I exactly knew that the market is playing dirty. It's doing the exact opposite thing what it needs to supposed to do. So I'm not stupid that I'm gonna sit down. Why is Bitcoin pumping all of a sudden? Is something happen? Am I missing something? Oh, stock market. Oh yeah, stock. I forgot. Stock market. MicroStrategy. It must be MicroStrategy. It's always MicroStrategy. Oh, see, MicroStrategy open up with a gap and crypto start pumping. Yeah, fucking retard crypto boys. Fucking just because market opened up with a gap, they're fucking excited and pumping BTC. Oh my god, fucking retard. And then it's gonna start dropping in and they're gonna lose their shit. Market, pre-market gap, and they're fucking excited. Fucking hell, look at this fucking thing. You know, do a pullback down. Oh, wait a second, it's going there all time. I fuck you. Then fuck you. Well, I don't give a shit. They can go fuck off. I'm focused on gold. No, seriously, they can go fuck off. BTC, crypto boys. Waiting for the news. Just wait for the news. Leave everything else. Leave all, cancel out all the noise. You don't need that noise. Cancel it out. I'm just gonna sit here, wait for the news data, and that's it. Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. Only the data matters. Nothing else matters. How much time? I think 16 minutes left for the data. Look at that push on gold. Look at that push on gold. Let me just remove this line. Or it doesn't make sense. Because it's 5 minutes, right? This is normal behavior. All I see is 2670, 2675. This is what I see. Okay, I guess the data is out. Data is out. And guess what? Data is lower. Lower is okay. We have two. One is lower, one is higher. One is lower and one is higher. So what I am supposed to do now? It's mixed. It's mixed, but I'll put my bet on gold buy. Manufacturing is 48.3, just 1% lower, whereas services is 58.5, which is nearly like 3.5% higher. So yeah, but I'll put my money on the buy. I'll put my money where my mouth is. You know what? Crypto is just doing some crazy ass shit right now, going for the fucking all time high. And trust me on this one, that if it goes to that area and a rejection will comes in, thing's gonna fucking drop like fuck. Because it's gonna be a huge ass retracement. They asked for it. The reason, unnecessary fucking bullish momentum. If MicroStrategy opened up with a gap, they are fucking pumping it up and then they're gonna dump it. I mean, nice money, but honestly, I would just stay away from it. We're just waiting for the gold to move up. It's gonna take some time, but finally gonna push up. I mean, that's what it's been doing. Now, somebody who wants to short Bitcoin can short right now. This is a nice area to sell, but on Bitcoin, I would just stay away because I already have a sell running. So I'm already done for the day for Bitcoin. I'm just gonna focus on gold because I want gold to move above 2670. So then I'll be focusing on other stuff. Just wait for the London close, then see what happens. I'm also waiting for the London close. Possibly a rejection, people scalping and then taking the profits away, and a bunch of other stuff. Just sit back and relax, okay? Don't need to fucking overthink about everything and everything. Just let those gold trades run. and sit back and relax. It's Monday after all. Come on, man. Take it easy. Monday. Hit the like button. Subscribe the channel if you haven't. Hit the bell icon to stay updated whenever I come live. Join the Telegram community and Discord. Discord is where I am mostly when I'm working. And fifth batch is starting from 1st January. Last date is 31st December. Premium membership is open currently. Group fee. Copy trading coming soon. Website coming soon. Yeah, bunch of other stuff too. And then sit back and relax. The stream is running fine. This is a really nice area. That's a really nice area. Don't go back. Gold has done a pullback all this time. Euro USD is dropping. Dollar index is something crazy. And let's look at BTC. Bitcoin is rejecting. Now see this drop exactly near all-time high. Like really, what the fuck? By the way, this is Binance. Okay, I'm using Binance for my future trading. So it's the spread is different and the price is different. But this is exactly where the because all-time high just reject it. No, it's just gonna keep on dropping. Oh my God. And gold will, for a while it's gonna start. It's gonna be like, okay, I'm dropping. Boom, it's gonna start coming back. Look at 1 hourly. 1 hourly, yeah, it's gonna start. When you have a drop like this, it starts down, it starts coming. Okay, seems like TP2 has been hit on Euro USD on premium signal. Uh, Kindly update me the status of CP2 if it has been hit on your USD or not. I think it is hit. Kindly update me the status of Euro USD CP2. I think it is hit. Just waiting for the London close. Then I'll stop the stream. Then I have lots of work to do. Lots of work. But it's been almost 2 hours. You guys can head up on Discord. I'm just waiting for the London close. Yeah, I said London is about to close. I'm just waiting for London close, then I'll head off. So you guys can come on Discord, have a word for like 10 15 minutes because I need to discuss some stuff with you guys for this week. So head straight to Discord. Because after the stream we have lots of work. You too, miss you. Sit in the what do you say community voice channel. I'll drag you. I'm just waiting for the London. You guys can watch till London. 4 minutes left. Then we'll see a pump on gold, and then we're gonna let the gold trades run. Gold is doing fine, not doing bad. I thought the news gonna push it out, but gold is above 26.55. My Discord invite is not working. Wait a second. I don't know, man. Here you go. This is the Discord link. Join it up. Sit in the voice channel. I'll drag you up. 2 minutes left. Bitcoin is retracing back. Okay. This was expected. If Bitcoin does a huge pullback, it's a problem. Gold, on the other hand, silver was dropping. Now silver is doing a pullback. This kind of a move is expected. You'll see gold go up in an 4 or 5 hours. or 7 8 hours will cross above 2670. It will take some time, but it will cross above 2670. So just hold on, okay? Just hold on. Okay, London has been closed. Give me a sec. Okay, okay. So here's the, yeah, it's going head up. No, it's not closed. I think we have an hour left. Sorry, I forgot. It's damn fucking daylight saving. We still have an hour left for the London. You can join Discord. I'm heading to Discord. I'm ending the stream. Thank you for this. Thank you for watching the stream, guys. Please like and subscribe the channel if you are new, and follow the Discord and Telegram channel for to stay up to date. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon tomorrow in London session. And guys, just head straight to Discord. Uh, Sit in Discord. I'll be coming. Gold is headed up. And if you don't have a buy, you can enter a buy. This is a nice area, but be careful, okay? Take care of yourself. Guys, head straight to Discord, sit in the community voice channel, and I'll drag you guys up. Dorcia, you also go sit in the voice channel. I'll drag you up. Try to sit over there. If you're having problem, I'll sort it out. Just hold on a second. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow in London session. Take care of yourself. Till then, Robert Trader is signing off. Guys, straight head towards Discord channel.